Welcome to WebPress. As soon as I install WordPress, I disable few things immediately. First, let me show you problems. WordPress dashboard, posts, add new. See this block editor and then appearance and widgets. Widgets has got this block editor too. Then dashboard. This is my dashboard and see these notifications. These notifications only increase as you install more plugins, more notifications, and it becomes really annoying sometimes. I disable these notifications and block editor as soon as I install WordPress anywhere. Now you may prefer block editor or Gutenberg block editor to use, but I mostly work with custom themes development or page builders. In my case, I do not use block editor in most cases. So to disable these two things, block editor or Gutenberg block editor and these notifications, go to plugins and select add new, search for disable Gutenberg. Install disable Gutenberg, this plugin, and then search for disable notifications. Disable admin notices individually. Install. Activate. Now you see this hide for me. For each notification, here hide for me, and then from the dashboard as well. Let me refresh the page. See this hide for me. So we can individually hide notifications. Hide for me, and then this is the plugin activation notification, and from the dashboard hide for me, and this one, dismiss. Now let's refresh the page, and you see we have got no notifications now. Similarly here, and we have got no notifications. So this one problem solved. Disable admin notices individually plugin allows me to disable notifications individually. And to disable Gutenberg or block editor, go to plugin settings. First I will enable this disable Gutenberg plugin, activate it. And now it's got settings. Go to settings, complete disable Gutenberg everywhere, and then classic widgets, disable block widgets and enable classic widgets. Check this as well and save changes. Now this is new post, refresh this, and we have got our default editor. Edit with Elementor, or I can just use this rich text editor. And then this is the widget area. Refresh the page, and we have got our default widgets. Now WordPress is clean and I can go on with custom WordPress development. So these are things that I disable immediately when I install WordPress anywhere. Let me know in comments, what do you disable from WordPress and why? Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.